This isn't a success story, it is a survival story. This is not about cancer. This is about living fully, loudly, honestly. When I was going through treatment, there were days when I felt invisible, days when it was very difficult to talk to the family, and I felt that I need an emotional outlet, a creative outlet, some place where it was just okay to be imperfect, okay to be human, okay to express my feelings, okay to be totally imperfect. I was so much depressed that I wanted a creative outlet to go and speak somewhere, and YouTube became that place. Even if just 5 people watched, but it looked like a space connecting to my own heart. It looked like 5 people were connecting to my own heart. To leave something behind for my children, honestly, but not perfectly. It looked like a purpose beyond the pain to me. YouTube changed my life in many ways. It was healing through expression. Taking it out of my heart really helped. Each time I pressed upload, I felt lighter. I felt seen. Even 10 comments looked like 10 tight hugs. It wasn't about views or likes. I've gone on videos from no views to about 10 views also. It gave my life a routine, a discipline. It became the reason to get up, get ready. Even in that pain, when I was unwell, it gave me motivation to get up, get ready, and I had some purpose behind it. I discovered a new passion. I never knew that I liked storytelling so much. Watching my own progress gave me strength. It was a self-reflection. I started seeing my own courage on screen. It especially helped me the days I was feeling the weakest from within, the days when my body was in greatest pain. Even a small win feels huge. Whenever there is a single subscriber, it's a huge win for me. It's a huge win. This way, every day I'm winning something or the other. Each new subscriber is like celebration for me. I'm enjoying it each single day. YouTube has taught me another thing, that is emotional resilience. There are days when I do not get any view, or it goes with very low views. Low views are teaching me patience and detachment. My confidence is getting rebuilt. Speaking openly is healing me from within. Slowly, YouTube has become a mirror for me. It has shown me a version of myself which is strong, brave, and still growing. Subscriber count doesn't matter. Most people think that when they will get 10,000 subscribers, only then they will be successful. But I feel it is the hardest to get the first 10 subscribers. But I learned it is the first 10 subscribers that teach us the biggest lessons. They teach us patience, they teach us humility, they teach us that showing up consistently is more important than being perfect. It's not about the number, it's about the journey that you are brave enough to begin, because the impact is much more than number. Even if you touch one single life, it gives you immense satisfaction from within, that you've been able to help someone with the knowledge that you have, with your life experience that you have shared. And even if one subscriber comments that your tip or your suggestion or your learning helped me, it gives you immense amount of satisfaction. So that impact is far more important than the number of subscribers, because you have to understand YouTube is a platform where one goes out and shares the learning. It's a free platform. Anyone who has knowledge of anything can go out and share. Each view that we get is a human. It's not merely a stat. It's a soul behind. So there's so much of connection, and there's so much of encouragement that I get out of the connection with the subscribers. Being consistent on YouTube really helps. So you start small, but you start steady. Please put in your efforts and you are sure to get results. It is also an opportunity to gain new skills. For example, which I am also gathering, is a skill to speak on the camera. Initially, there's a lot of shyness. One feels very embarrassed to speak. There's nobody standing in front of you. There's just a camera and you're talking to the camera. This is one skill. Another skill is the skill of editing. And when you start learning new things, you open new horizons for yourself, which is a very good feeling. You also learn how to connect with people. You build your own community. You have a set of people who appreciate you, even on the smallest of your things. The entire process is very encouraging. YouTube is an excellent place to boost your confidence with all these skills that you use, and the interaction that you have with your community and the new things that you gather. I think it is immensely helpful in boosting the confidence of any new YouTuber. Every milestone is important. Your gratitude grows towards the community. If you're watching this and thinking that who would bother about your story, then let me tell you, your story might be the light that someone else is praying for. Your story is unique, and you never know who might get inspired from your story. YouTube isn't for experts or entertainers only. It is for humans, it is for storytellers. It's for anyone who believes that healing starts when we dare to be seen, even if one person listens, but it's worth it because no one else can tell your story in your own way. And creativity is healing for the soul. Your one video can have a very big ripple effect. One video can impact someone for the entire life. And it is also a proof of strength that you are stronger than what you think. YouTube just didn't give me platform. It gave me a purpose. If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel? Let me know in comments. I'll cheer for you. Like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs a push.